Dear students, the last topic in this chapter, slope of a line joining the 2 points. So let 2 points A, x1 comma y1, next to B, x2 comma y2. So then let's plot these 2 points in a graph paper. So here is x-axis, x dash, y-axis, y dash. So let's take the point A here and here is a point B. So if you're joining the 2 points, then you will get one straight line. Okay. So now we need to make the one triangle. So to get the triangle, let's take one point C. So then B to C and A to C, one triangle was formed. So the distance between B and C is y2 minus y1. So y2 minus y1 nothing but the differences between the y coordinates of the point A and B. Next, the distance between A and C is x2 minus x1. So that means the difference between the x coordinates of point A and B. So then the slope of the line, which line? Here, this one. The slope of the line is denoting with small m. It is equals to the changes in the y coordinate divided by changes in the x coordinate. So this is a formula to find out the slope of a line which is joined by 2 points A and B. So I will show you the original diagram which was given in our textbook. So here is the original diagram. So now this line L making that angle theta with x-axis in the positive direction. So positive direction means x-axis nothing but here right side all are positive numbers and left side negative numbers will be there. Na? So that is why here the line making the angle with x-axis in the positive direction, so that angle is theta. So then what will happen? The line segment AB will make a same angle with AC. Okay, so with AC. So now for that angle theta, let's apply the trigonometry ratio tan. So in the trigonometry ratio tan theta equals to opposite side to theta divided by adjacent side to theta. So from the figure opposite side to theta, so first of all here it is a 90 degrees. So we should consider it is a 90 degrees because it is a height. Okay. So opposite side to theta is what? BC divided by adjacent side to theta is what? AC. So BC value how much? y2 minus y1 and AC value how much? x2 minus x1. So the tan theta equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. But the same answer came at this place. So indirectly the slope m equals to tan theta also, no? So that is why the slope m equals to tan theta, at the same time y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So there are two formulas. But when we have to use these formulas, when the angle theta given, for example theta equals to 30 degrees, then what is the slope of the particular line? Then we have to use the tan theta formula. So that means tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. But when the 2 points are given, then you have to use this formula to find out the slope, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is a topic, slope of a line joining the 2 points. So let's do some problems related to this. Let's do one example problem. So example 22 is the end points of the line segment are 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the slope of the line segment. So the given 2 points are, one is 2, 3, another one is 4, 5. So it is x1 y1, here x2 y2. Then the slope of the line denoting with a small m, so it is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 value 5 and y1 value 3, x2 value 4 and x1 value 2. So it is equals to 5 minus 3 2, 4 minus 2 2. So 2 cancel 1. So the slope value is 1. Exercise 7.4. The first bit is find the slope of the line passing through the given 2 points. The first question is 4 comma minus 8 and 5 comma minus 2. So here x1 y1 x2 y2. So then the slope, the bracket m equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 value is minus 2 minus y1 value minus 8 divided by x2 value 5 minus x1 value is 4. So then it is equals to minus 2 minus of minus plus 8, 5 minus 4 1, minus 2 plus 8 is 6 by 1. So it is equals to 6. So the slope is 6. And there is no units for the slope like a centimeter, meter, kilometer. So it is a just number. There is no units for slope. Second question, m equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 equals to, here is a x1 y1, it is x2 y2. So y2 minus y1, 3 minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1, root 3 minus 0. So 3 minus 0 is 3 and root 3 minus 0 is root 3. We can simplify it further. 3 can write as a root 3 whole square, because root 3 into root 3 whole square, square root cancel, divided by root 3. So root 3 square can write as a root 3 into root 3. So the answer is root 3. Third question, 2a comma 3b and a comma minus b. So slope m equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here x1 y1, here x2 y2. So y2 is minus b minus y1 is 3b divided by x2 is a minus x1 is 2a. So minus b minus 3b is minus 4b and a minus 2a is minus a. Now minus minus cancel, it is equals to 4b divided by a. Fourth question, a comma 0 and 0 comma b. So here is a x1 y1 x2 y2. The slope m equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 value b minus y1 value 0, x2 value 0 minus x1 value a. So b minus 0 b, but 0 minus a is minus a. Now this minus can write in the numerator place, so minus b by a is a slope of the given line. Fifth question, the point A is minus 1.4 comma minus 3.7 and point B is minus 2.4 comma 1.3. So let's give the name for these. x1 y1, here is a x2 y2. So the slope m equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 value is 1.3 minus y1 value, it is a negative number, so minus of minus 3.7, x2 value minus 2.4 minus, and x1 value negative number, so minus of minus 1.4. So 1.3 plus 3.7, because here minus of minus is plus, next to minus 2.4 plus of minus plus 1.4. So 1.3 plus 3.7, 3 plus 1 4, 5.0, and minus 2.4 plus 1.4 is minus 1.0. So then it is equals to 5.0 can write as a 5, minus 1.0 can write as a minus 1. So then it is equals to minus 5. Sixth question, point A is 3 comma minus 2 and point B is minus 6 comma minus 2. So x1 y1, here x2 y2. Let's substitute the values. Y2 value minus 2 minus y1 value minus 2. So here minus of minus 2, x2 value minus 6 minus x1 value 3. So minus 2 minus of minus plus 2 divided by minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0 divided by minus 9. So 0 by anything is 0. So the slope of the line is 0. Seventh question, the point A is minus 3 whole 1 by 2 comma 3. Point B is minus 7 comma 2 whole 1 by 2. So here minus 3 whole 1 by 2, 2 whole 1 by 2 both are mixed fractions. Let's convert them into improper fraction form. So minus 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2. Similarly 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2. So minus 7 by 2 5 by 2. So the slope m equals to y2 2 whole 1 by 2, but 2 whole 1 by 2 value is 5 by 2 minus y1 that is 3 divided by x2 minus 7 minus, so again minus 3 whole 1 by 2 is 7 by 2. So it is equals to, here 3 can write as a by 1, 2 is LCM, 5 minus 3 2s are 6 divided by minus 7 minus of minus plus 7 by 2. So 5 minus 6 is minus 1 divided by 2 divided by, here minus 7 can write as a by 1, 2 is a LCM, minus 7 into 2 is 14 plus 7. So it is equals to minus 1 by 2 divided by minus 14 plus 7 is minus 7 by 2. So then it is equals to, so here 2 cancel and minus minus also cancel. So it is equals to 1 by 7. So the last problem, 8th one, A 0 comma 4, B 4 comma 0. So then y2 minus y1, so 0 minus 4 divided by x2 4 minus x1 0. 0 minus 4 is minus 4, 4 minus 0 is a 4, 4 4 cancel, so minus 1 is a slope of the line.